Hello everyone! You already know Ira. She always looks amazing. I want to give you a full review of her outfit and tell you about it. Have a look at the skirt. The waistband is white. These are just decorative seams. These are not princess seams. These seams were made for the skirt to look good. The width of the seams is about 2 or 3 millimeters. These are the two darts. I think that they make the skirt look very interesting. As I've already said, the waistband is white. There are belt loops on it. Have a look at the back. The waistband is buttoned on the center back. The skirt is made of jersey fabric. These seams start with the darts. They look like princess seams. There is a concealed zipper on the center back. There are 4 buttons and 4 buttonholes here. Notice that the belt is placed in between them. I want you to understand that every small detail is very important. Together they make us look different and beautiful. I told you about the skirt. Have a look at this amazing belt. This is Dolce & Gabbana. This is an amazing skirt. It was made of jersey fabric of a very high quality. I also want to show you this amazing blouse. It is made of viscose. It's not silk. People often ask how to make white items on the basis of a basic pattern. Don't be afraid of changing it however you want. Have a look at the sleeves. This is a regular raglan sleeve seam. The sleeves are pretty wide. These are 3/4 sleeves, which end with cuffs. Ira loves the cuffs to be tight. As I've already said, these are raglan sleeves. The most interesting detail in this blouse is the bow. It is edged with the lace. Very beautiful. Let's have a look here. This is a stand collar. It's about 3 or 4 centimeters wide. The chest darts were moved to the neckline and gathered here. There is no slit here. There is one on the back. Ira needs it to be able to put the blouse off and on. There are 2 small buttons here. There is a loop here on the center front. The 2 sides of the stand collar end with such long details, which should be pulled through the loop. Beautiful. It's so thoughtful. I don't think that I'll be able to make the bow look the way it did. Amazing. You don't need to tie anything. Just pull the straps through the loop. Don't be afraid of experiments. Use your imagination. Make a mock-up of your basic pattern to decide what suits and fits you better. I think that Ira doesn't feel comfortable this way. Choose the designs which are perfect for you. The darts moved to the neckline also look pretty good. You don't need to spend a lot of money to make such blouse. You do not necessarily have to buy the most expensive chiffon. I'm showing you these clothes for you to understand how important such small details really are. I gave Ira my shoes. I think that they match the outfit perfectly. Ira knows how to show clothes. I'm not as good as she is, but I also try my best. Ira looks absolutely amazing. I remind you that her baby is 2 years old. Some stay at home with children and say that they don't have time for anything else. And Ira has time to look amazing. Ira, I love you. It's not hard to sew something when you have a perfect basic pattern. It's hard to make a basic pattern which fits you perfectly. If you do, you won't have any problems. Having a basic pattern, you can sew almost anything you want. This is what Ira does. Ladies, I wish us, everyone, young, old, retired, working, mothers, daughters, everyone, to be different and beautiful. When you look good, you also feel good. People around you can feel it too. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. Вы паукште Ирина and Ira. Guys, please subscribe to my channel, write comments, share videos, and press the like and the bell buttons. I really need your support. Thank you. Goodbye.